Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back to watch this video. Today I did this Easter inspired makeup look. That's why I have some cute little flowers on this corner here. I did some pastel colors and colorful fun look. That's why I have a colorful pastelish colors backdrop. I was gonna say background, but backdrop, it's the same thing, you know. You get me, you get me. So I actually have some exciting news for you guys before we get into the video. So it happens that I submitted one of my videos to a competition, a makeup competition. And yeah, that competition, well, I got into the top 30 and I already think you know what I'm talking about. I got into the NYX Face Awards! Yay! So I got to top 30 NYX Face Awards from Puerto Rico. So yeah, I'm so excited. I still can't believe it, honestly. I'm like, ugh. But yeah, I got into the NYX Face Awards from Puerto Rico. I'm in top 30 right now, which is like their first level, I think that's how you say it. So stay tuned for that so you can vote for me. I will, if you want to like get the links to voting and all that, please go follow me to my Instagram and my Facebook. I finally have a Facebook page for makeup, so I will link all of that down below so you guys can go and like the page. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and you like it. I've been practicing some SFX makeup lately, so the last post I uploaded to Instagram was like a broken nose day, and I already had a comment to do a tutorial on that. So if you want a tutorial on that too, go to my Instagram and comment that down below there in that post. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get onto it.
Okay guys, so we're going to be starting off with a clean face, and I'm going to be starting off with the eyes. Now I'm going to be using the NYX HD Concealer as a primer for my lids because I just wanted a really light primer. Finally got a real beauty blender, like from the brand Beauty Blender, so I'm using that to blend in that concealer. And to set, I'm using some Airspun powder. This powder, I just love it. I just go back to it all the time. Now I'm just grabbing a big fluffy brush and a light purple, light lilac, lavender color, and applying that all over the crease to transition shade. I'm using a smaller crease brush and like a neonish purple, light neonish purple, and started to concentrate that purple color in the crease. Looks slightly pink, but you can see it's purple and it's really pretty. I'm just swiping that windshield wiper motions. I'm using a darker purple in that outer V, and in my crease, same motion. I'm using some High Beam from Benefit Cosmetics liquid highlighter. You can use whatever you want to adhere your pigment. I'm just using this to adhere my pigment on my lid, slightly cutting the crease really lightly. It's not really like a full-on cut crease, sorry guys. Just halfway cutting the crease very lightly. So the Carli Bybel palette in this beautiful champagne-ish shimmery shade on my lid for that opaqueness and full coverage on that lid, and just packing it on there. Now I use some of the highlighter as well in my outer V just to pack on more color, make that purple stand out even more, and it looked really beautiful that way. I found that using that highlighter worked very well. Now I'm using the NYX liquid eyeliner in the shade Vivid Halo, I believe. It's this beautiful yellow. It's kind of like pastelish because it's not that in your face, but it's still in your face. Like, it's mind-blowing. It's so beautiful. Now for the brows, I'm using this brow product by Benefit, and it's something really basic I do. I've done this before so many times already in my channel, how I do my brows, what products I use. So I'm just following the shape of my brow and doing the brows per usual as I do. So yeah, I have nothing else to say about that. Now for the brow bone, I'm just using my highlighter from the Carli Bybel Deluxe palette. It's kind of like a purplish iridescent color. Now to prime my face, using the NYX Angel Glow Primer, I pat that primer into my face since I had some moisturizer and face oil underneath. Just patting motions. I got the Sweet Peach Foundation by Too Faced, and can I just say, this thing is the best thing I've ever purchased on Sephora, honestly. Using some High Beam as well mixed into my foundation, but seriously, that foundation, it's amazing. It's so natural. Yeah, you get like a light to medium coverage, so you can use it on there every day. It's matte through the whole day. You don't get oily. It's amazing. I really recommend this foundation. You should definitely try it out. I just used a brush to kind of smear it and even it out, and then I just use a beauty blender to make sure there's no brush marks all over the foundation, and that's how I get a flawless foundation. Now for my concealer, I'm using some of the NYX concealer I use on my lid just to kind of even out the color. I'm not really highlighting with it, I'm just covering up some areas, some redness, darkness in the under eyes and all that. So I'm just using a really small amount of it everywhere that I feel like I need to. Now to actually highlight my face, using the Age Rewind by Maybelline. This concealer is just thebomb.com. I love it. And I'm just highlighting my under eyes. I highlighted my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and chin. And yeah, that's what I did to highlight. Now I'm just using that sponge again, beauty blender, and just blending everything out. And make sure you blend everything flawlessly so you won't have weird white marks, because believe me, it has happened to me sometimes, and then I add powder on top and then I'm like, oh my god, I can't fix it, I have to take all of my face off, but then it's just a mess. But anyways, just make sure you fully blend it amazingly, that you overblend. You should overblend, definitely. It's better to overblend. So I just did that. I just blended it in. Now some airspun powder to set and end up like a sugar donut, because who doesn't love donuts, right? I should put that on a t-shirt, literally sugar donut or something. I don't know. Just inventing things here. But I just baked my face with that, and yeah. So now to bronze my face, I'm using the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer. You guys know it's one of my favorite bronzers. Drugstore bronzer, it's amazing, honestly. And then just bronzing my face, doing that 3 shape, forehead, cheekbones, and chin. Now to contour a little bit more, I'm using some Hoola bronzer with a smaller brush and kind of concentrating those cheekbones there and making them appear way nicer. Now I just remove my baking with a big fluffy brush, and I'm using the Daisy Blush Duo by BH Cosmetics, the oldie but a goodie. I've used this since I started my channel. It's really good. And I just packed on some blush because I want a really rosy cheeks. Now for highlighter, I'm using the Nicole Guerrero palette. I'm using the Forever Lit and the one on top of that, which I don't remember the name of it, but I just mixed those 2 highlighters and they're just so beautiful. I love those highlighters so much. They're just amazing. And I just highlighted Cupid's bow, cheekbones, inner eye corners, and the bridge of my nose. Now for the waterline, I'm using the Stila liner, which is waterproof. It's just like a beautiful teal color, or like a mint green maybe. I'm just using that on my waterline, and for the lower lash line, I'm using that same purple I use in the outer V and crease. For mascara, using some roller lash. I love this thing. It's amazing. For lips, using this NYX, it's matte. It's not a liquid lipstick, it's kind of like a matte cream. It's in the shade Tokyo. It's the perfect bubblegum pink, and I thought it would look great with this look since I'm going for those pastel colors and it's Easterish and it looks super duper cute. I really love it. And on top, to make it glossy, I'm using this matte cream sheen. And I just made those lips glossy and they look super duper cute. I really like how they turned out. And now just me being creative and still wanting to do more makeup. I grabbed this white jumbo crayon by Wet n Wild. It's just a white color, and I'm creating little flowers on my cheeks because they're super cute. So I just created white flowers. I created 3, and I added in the bottom one a yellow dot for from the yellow eyeliner I used from NYX. The center, the liquid lips, not a liquid lipstick. Oh my god, I keep saying it's a liquid lipstick. Just the lipstick I used. In the top one, the teal liner. I did some leaves with some green eyeshadow and a little vine, and it looked super cute. I just loved how that turned out. It's just a little decal for the look if you want to be a little bit extra, you know. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and yeah, thanks for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. As always, please like this video and subscribe down there to my channel as always. So yeah, love you guys, and yeah, remember to go to my social media so you can get the links on voting for NYX Face Awards Puerto Rico, and you can go and vote there for me. So yeah, thank you guys, and bye.